everyone, today we are solving some problems on equations of tangent from the chapter graphs. First question is, a curve has equation y equals to x square plus 6x minus 3, and the dy by dx we have to find at x equals to 1. So y is equals to x square plus 6x minus 3, and we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx of this function is 2x plus 6. Now they're saying it is at x equals to 1. So you have to put x as 1. X is equals to 1. This is 2 into 1 plus 6, which gives you 8. So the dy by dx for this function at x equals to 1 is 8. The second part shows that work out the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to x square plus 6x minus 3 at the point 1, 4. They have given the point. We have the gradient. This is the gradient of the tangent. And we have the point. Let's find out the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is a straight line, and we know that the equation of a straight line, a general equation, is y equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to m. The gradient is given as 8 at x equals to 1, x plus c. The point 1, 4 lies on this line, so we will put y as 4 and x as 1 plus c. So to find c is equal to minus 4. So the equation of the tangent comes out as y equals to 8x minus 4. This is the equation of the tangent, y equals 8x minus 4. Next question is, a curve has equation 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 12. Work out the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point where x is equals to 2. Similarly, we have to find the dy by dx at x equals to 2. That is the gradient of the curve. And then we have to find the equation. So y is equal to 4x cubed minus 7x squared plus 12. The dy by dx, or the gradient of the curve at x equals to 2, will be 12x squared minus 14x. And this is at x equals to 2. Let's put x as 2. 2 into 2 square minus 14 into 2. This gives you 12 into 4 minus 28. This is 48 minus 28, which gives you 20. So this is the gradient of the curve at x equals to 2. Now let's find the equation. The equation of the tangent we know is a straight line. Y equals mx plus c. Y and the gradient is equal to 20x plus c. Now we have the value of x, but we don't know what is the value of y. To find the value, since x lies on the curve, x equals to 2 lies on the curve, that means if you put x in the original equation, you'll get the value of y. So to find the value of y equals 4, you have to put x as 2. 2 cube minus 7, 2 square plus 12. This gives you 4, 8 minus 7, 4 plus 12. This gives you 32 minus 28 plus 12. This gives you 4 plus 12. This is 16. So when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 16. So basically we have to Find the equation of the tangent at x at the coordinates 2, 16. Now we know the value of y, which is 16, is equal to 20 times 2 plus c. This is 16 is equal to 40 plus c, and c is equals to minus 24. Now the equation of the tangent comes out to be y is equal to 20x minus 20. Next question they're asking is, a curve has a gradient function which is 2x cubed minus 9 divided by 10. The point P is a point on the curve. The tangent to the curve at point P is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Work out the x coordinate of P. Now the tangent to the curve, they're asking what is the x coordinate of P. They have also given that the tangent to the curve at point P, let's say if this is the curve, if this is the curve and this is point P and this is the tangent. The tangent to the curve at point P is perpendicular to the line. There is a line, let's say this is the line which is perpendicular to the line to the equation P, to the tangent of at P. This equation is given as 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So if the perpendicular equation is given, we know the gradient of this perpendicular is equals to, let's say this is m1, the gradient of this perpendicular, which is equal to 2 by 5. Now if this is 2 by 5, the gradient of the tangent will be equal to m2 is minus 5 by 2, because we know that when there are two lines that are perpendicular to each other, the rule for the gradient is m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. Now let's understand how to find the x coordinate of P. We found the gradient of the equation of tangent at P, which is minus 5 by 2. Now the gradient function, that is dy by dx, is already given, which is 2x cubed minus 9 divided by 10. Also, this is the gradient of the tangent, which is m2, and we already got m2 as minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 2x cubed minus 9 divided by 10. This is 2, 5. This is 2x cubed minus 9 is equal to minus 25. And 2x cubed is equal to minus 16. And x cubed is equal to minus 8. And x equals to minus 2. So what the x coordinate of P is equal to minus 2. We can't find the y coordinate because the original equation of the curve is not given. That's why only the x coordinate can be found. Next question, they are asking the curve C has equation half x to the power 4 minus 3x squared. The point P on the curve C has x coordinate 2. The tangent at P meets the x-axis at point k, 0. Find the value of k. Let's understand what they are asking. Let's suppose this is a curve and this is the point P. The tangent at point P, whose x coordinate is given as 2. We don't know what is the y coordinate. and they cut the x-axis at k comma 0. We have to find the value of k. Tangent at P, let's find out the slope or the gradient at P. So y is equal to half x to the power 4 minus 3x square dy by dx is equal to half into 4x cube minus 6x. This gives you 2x cube minus 6x. At x equals to 2, so put the value 2 in place of x. This is 2. Gives you 16 minus 12, which is 4. So the gradient of the tangent at P is equal to 4. If you can find out the value of y coordinate, so value of y coordinate can be found using the original equation of the curve y equals to half x to the power 4 minus 3x square, which is equal to half 2 to the power 4 minus 3 2 square, which is 16 divided by 2 minus 12. This is the y coordinate is minus 4. Now let's find out the equation of the tangent, which is y equals mx plus c. The y coordinate is given as minus 4 and slope we got is 4. X coordinate of p is 2 plus c. This is minus 4 is equal to 8 plus c, and c is equal to minus 12. So the equation of the tangent is y equals 4x minus 12. Now, since this is the equation of the tangent and this is cutting the x-axis at k comma 0, so these points will obviously lie on this curve on the tangent equation, which means that if we can put the values over here, so y is 0 and 4k minus 12. So k is equal to 3. So the value of k comes out to be 3 when we put the points on this equation given. Now the last question is for you guys. You solve it and send your answers in the chat box. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.